So today's topic is we have to solve this circuit, that is we have to find the current through this 4 ohm resistance using Millman's theorem. This is a second solved problem. So find the current through 4 ohm resistance using Millman's theorem. Now you have 20 volts battery, 8 ohms in series with it, 10 volts in series with 2 ohms, 5 volts in series with 10. See, all these combinations are connected in parallel. So we can redraw this diagram like this. That is 20 volts 8 ohms, 10 volts 2 ohms. This 5 volts can be redrawn because all are at same potential. If I call this line as B and this line as A and this line as A and this line as B, between A and B you have this and this 4 ohms. So now this is A, this is B. In between A and B you have this branch, this branch, this branch, and the 4 ohm resistor. Now if you see carefully, these three voltage sources are connected in parallel with its series resistance given. So these three sources with its series resistance can be converted into a single source and a resistance using Millman's theorem. So we already saw what is Millman's theorem. So in Millman's theorem, if you have voltage sources in parallel along with its series resistance, so this can be replaced by a single voltage source V dash and a single resistance R dash. R dash is given by 1 divided by G1 plus G2 plus up to Gn, and V dash is V1 G1 plus V2 G2 plus goes up to nth source Vn Gn divided by G1 plus G2 plus up to Gn. But now in this case we have only 3 voltage source, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore R dash will be having 1 divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. Similarly we have 3 voltages, so V dash is equal to V1 G1, V2 G2 plus V3 G3 divided by G1 plus G2 plus G3. Now let us solve the problem. Okay. Now we have to find R dash. R dash is what? R dash is 1 by G1 plus G2 plus G3. 1 divided by, what is G1? You have a resistance 1 as 8. So G1 is 1 by 8. That's what we have written here. We have 2 ohm resistance. Therefore G2 is 1 by 2. Then we have to write G3. So G3 is 10. So 1 by R is 10 ohms. Therefore G3 is 1 by 10 ohms. So these are all resistance we are converting into conductance G1, G2, G3. That is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. So if you solve for this, you will get 40 by 29. That is 1 by G1 plus G2 plus G3, which is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. So if you simplify, you will get 40 by 21, and if you solve for this, you will get 1.379 ohms. That is R dash value. Now coming to V dash, V1. V1 is 20, V2 is 10 and V3 is 5. 20, 10 and 5. So we have written here 20, 10 and 5. And 8 ohms, 2 ohms and 10. So this is G, if you want to find G1 1 by 8, G2 1 by 2 and G3 1 by 10. So based on this formula, V dash V1 G1 20 into 1 by 8 plus V2 10 into 1 by 2 plus V3 5 into 1 by 10. G1 plus G2 plus G3 is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. You write it as it is. Now if you simplify this equation, you will get V dash as 11.0344 volts. Okay. Therefore the entire 3 sources can be converted into a single source, that is V dash R dash, and remaining we have to find the current through this 4 ohm resistor. So that is connected here, 4 ohms. So now we know the value for V dash. V dash is what? 11.0344 volts, that is written here, and R dash is what? 1.379 ohms, that is written here, and the resistance is connected here, 4 ohms. Now we have to solve for the current here. So I is equal to V by R. V is 11.0344 divided by, these two resistance are in series, that is 1.379 plus 4 is in series. So total resistance will be 4 plus 1, that is 5.379 ohms. So the current is 11.0344 divided by 5.379, which gives you 2.0513 amperes. This is the answer. So we have solved this problem using Millman's theorem. You can use any other theorem also. Still, whatever theorem you are using or any analysis, mesh or nodal analysis, still you should get the same answer. So this question in particular, they have asked for find the current through 4 ohm resistance using Millman's theorem. If they ask for Millman's theorem, you have to solve only by Millman's theorem. If at all you want to do some verification of the answer, you can go for some other method for analysis. Okay, so that's the idea. This is the circuit. It is redrawn in Millman's diagram format. We are finding for R dash and B dash. R dash value, B dash substituted. The current through the resistance 4 ohms has to be found out. So that this 4 ohms is connected here, and the current is found to be 2.0513 amperes, and we have said about what is Millman's theorem. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Nandri.